Understanding the phrase, to snow someone in English. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, to snow someone. This expression is a great example of how colorful and imaginative the English language can be. So, whether you're an English learner or just curious about idioms, this video is for you. The phrase, to snow someone, is an idiom in English. To snow someone means to deceive, mislead, or charm them in a way that hides the truth. It's often used when someone is so persuasive that the other person doesn't realize they're being deceived. Understanding the origin of to snow someone helps us grasp its meaning better. The phrase likely comes from the way snow covers and hides what's beneath it. Just like snow can hide the true landscape, deceiving someone can hide the truth. Let's see how to snow someone can be used in sentences. 1. He tried to snow the teacher into believing he had done his homework. 2. Don't be fooled, she's just trying to snow you with her excuses. In these examples, the phrase is used to describe situations where someone is being misled or tricked. When using to snow someone, remember it's informal and best suited for casual conversations or creative writing. It's not typically used in formal or professional settings. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, to snow someone. We hope you found this video enlightening and that it adds a bit of flair to your English vocabulary. Don't get snowed by complex English idioms. Keep learning with us. See you in the next video.